Alright, I'm making a little video here to go over the systems of the fuel system of the 7.3. This is in from the tank. It's vacuum. To here, there's a diaphragm here that pressurizes it to about 7 to 8 psi. Comes out this side into the fuel bowl right here. Through the fuel bowl, out the back here, or out the bottom there, sorry, into the high pressure inlet side of the pump, the mechanical side of the pump. Out these lines in the back, right here. Goes up to the head right here. When you're chopping all this off, all I did was chop these right here. Put in a T compression fitting coming out, and then I reused my tank in right there and put a mechanical pump going through the filter into this line here and pressurize that line instead of it being a vacuum line. To modify the FPR, doing the Tightwad mod, or what do you want to call it, take the FPR apart. Pretty simple. You're going to cut the entire right hand side portion of this off, move the Schrader valve over to here, which should be in anyway, and then once the fuel returns from the heads, it goes back into here through the regulator, which is right here. It's just a spring needle seat type deal, and it comes out right in this little hole right here. Okay, all this shit here gets cut off. Okay, you take I believe it's a 1/4 inch NTP barbed fitting. Once you get all this out of the way, we can get into it. You tap that, put that right there, screw it in. Now that will go to the return. Real simple. I use these filters here. They're about 30 bucks from Goldenrod. Tractor Supply has them. That filter is good for, I want to say it's 20,000 gallons. I know the one I put on 5 years ago I still got on there. Never had an issue with it. Still carrying good fuel pressure. Lasts forever. Got a water separator and a petcock at the bottom. I've never had a single problem out of that thing. I've got it mounted right next to the radiator, which I'll show you. I know it's kind of bright out here, but anyway, that's where I have my filter mounted. I just used a piece of flat stock, drilled 2 holes, mounted to 2 top radiator bolts here that hold this mount onto the radiator. I ran it across, used 2 U-bolts out of like a fencing supply or something. It wasn't even anything crazy. I think I got about 30 bucks in that. Then just ran my low pressure lines. I still have the factory mechanical pump. Ran the low pressure coming out of the pump through the filter back to the high pressure bottom of the pump. Pretty simple. Been on there for about 5 years now.